Welcome to another unboxing, and today we've been busy on eBay and we've got a parcel through. So let's get into it, because to be quite honest, I'm not sure what it is, and I'm not 100% sure I'll have any fingers left when I've used this knife. But anyway, here we go with the new unboxing. Here we are. Oh, it's a box. So, from the box, we get a box. But this one, we don't need the knife. And this one is, what have we got? What have we got? We've got an awful lot of bubble wrap, really well packaged. We've got a transformer. Oh, I know what it is. Right, before I got the Dynamis set, I actually bidded on a Select, because I thought at least some way I need to get a DCC to run my items, and this is the DCC. Wow. And it comes with instructions. That's good. Yeah, it's got all the bits and pieces. It's got what amp? It's got a 1 amp. So okay, so it's not a 5 amp, which would have been nice, but it's got a 1 amp. And yeah, that's really good. So I better get this plugged in and see if it works. So thanks for watching. This has been my unbox of a Hornby Select, and it looks in pretty good condition. Quite pleased with that. Yeah, really quite pleased with that. Thanks for watching.